So this is something that I don't normally do, where I've done an install video on YouTube, shown it to everyone, and then kind of revisiting it. But there's something different with today's install that I just feel like I have to share. So first off, I'm gonna strip the car down, get it to where I need it to be. But then I'm gonna show you all the key new feature to this car that I'm gonna be installing. And along with that, then look into showing you all the finished results. So without further ado, let's jump into stripping this car apart. So everyone, a quick little sneak peek into the build at the moment. Got the strip in, got the door handle light, we've got the ambient light strip underneath there, and we've got the cubby hole or the door pocket hole ambient light there as well. I've gone for this fitment because what I've noticed is whenever you put it in on the corner, as soon as you put something there, it basically stops all the light here. So you ideally want it at the top. Here is the back. So we've got the door handle light, which is glued into place. I've removed the end from the original ambient lighting and put one of these ends on. It near enough perfect fit. There's a hole that I've drilled for the cubby hole light. Like I said, over here, you won't be able to get a drill bit in there. And then we've got this for the standard original ambient light strip. But this is taking more voltage. So what I have done is something different that I didn't do on the previous build, which is over here. On this connection box, you've got two larger black wires. The top one here is a live and the bottom one here is an earth. I've tested them out. That is basically what I'm going to use for the live and earth for the doors. Main reason being is because when you used it for the other light switch, because it's powering basically 4 lights, 2 modules, one of the 3-piece modules and one of the single modules, it just wasn't enough power going to them, so it would kind of not work. So it's taken a bit of time to figure that part out, but I'm glad I figured it out because that will make the rest of the build a little bit easier. So now I'm going to crack on with doing the other doors, and then we'll be on the center console, which will be a nice break because this car does always test the patience, especially those damn clips. It is a pretty late one again today. It's actually, let's see what time it is. There you go, that's the time. That's the time right now. The car looks amazing. Every single color, it looks ridiculous. So I'm actually gonna turn off the lights inside the garage. Ah, it's so scary. This, ladies and gentlemen, is insane. This isn't even one of the best colors. Like looking at the blue, the purple, this just looks insane. The cameras never do this justice, but the blues look just unreal. This is such a good look. It looks amazing. Just like the previous one as well, we got the center console part done, got the strip across the dash, everything. This is exactly what the customer wanted. We've got the light, kind of see it, just a nice subtle glow there. We've got the cubby hole light as well. It just wow, just wow, unreal. I'm loving it. And as you guys know as well, you can adjust the brightness on it, so you can make it darker, and that's maximum brightness. I just think this looks amazing. I just think this looks so amazing. Right, I'm gonna snap up some pictures now. Oh, and before anyone gets worried about having the car on in the garage, I've got the back door open and the windows and stuff, so there is air circulation in here. Please everyone, be sensible and be safe around cars. Right, let's get some photos of all of this. Everyone, this just looks so cool being in this car right now. Just gotta drive it out of the garage. Get up and change some of the colors around. I do love the blue. It's a very striking color. This teal kind of color is nice as well. I'll just straight up go into green. I don't know which color I like the most in this car. Let's see what red looks like. Ooh, red looks good. Let's get a photo of that. This is a seriously nice setup and I hope it's coming out on camera. So everyone, I've completed off that install, and honestly, I know that the video does not do it justice as to how it looks in person. It's a complete level up from the previous installs that I've done on the Velar. Yes, it does require a little bit of drilling into little bits and pieces, but I think personally it's 100% worth it. Now, couple of things, if you are going to tackle this yourself, you need 2 different kits. So I'll leave everything in the description down below. And also, if you don't feel like tackling it yourself, just get in touch with me on Instagram and we'll look at setting something up. But for now, I hope you all did enjoy this video and like the way this install came out. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you think I could have done anything differently, leave it down in the comments down below. And otherwise, I look forward to seeing you all in another video, because you guys will subscribe and hit that bell notification. But for now, I'll let YouTube recommend a couple of other videos for you. Peace out. Bye.